Hello, good evening, my dear students. Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up. And Srinidhi, Porvi, I can see your lovely work. Anshika Sengar and Anya Singh, single. Ravan you made, okay. Wow, it's looking great. Presha, very nice. See the efforts which you put for making that drawing. I can see Mishita, lovely drawing, Mishita, Dakshita, Porvi, great work. And you all are really doing well, and all different artworks, all different techniques which I'm teaching. I'm so happy to see how beautifully you are justifying. And see, with this, I really want you to think openly. Like suppose, see this drawing which we learned last class. So suppose here we learn to personify nature. Suppose you are given any topic and you want to personify something. Like here we personify nature in face of Devi Durga. Suppose you want to personify pollution. So what will you show in the background? You will show buildings and big factories releasing smoke day and night. Vanya, it's beautiful work, beta. Vanya Taneja. Shabash. Okay. So this ways you can if you will make factories and smoke all over, so you can show pollution. And Devi, Mother Earth, and with tears in eyes. So this technique can be used to personify. Pranaya, wonderful efforts. Chalo, now we will start with today's. Acha, before starting, I want to tell you about Friday's Dashera, and a good news for you, Dashera is a holiday. Yay! Very happy, right? Okay, and no. Acha, and today we are going to learn a drawing on Dashera, but in a very different way. I always try to pick up very different way of being concept oriented, so that you can openly think. Like normally when we think about Dashera, what we think? A Ravan with 10 heads, a sword in one hand and a shield in one hand, and we normally think and fire flames. But today you will be learning Dashera in a very different way. And so this will help you opening up while thinking. So shall we start? And Dashera is holiday, and our package, Navratri special package, which is offering you complete discount of 5,200 rupees. It is on till Dashera. Please share it with your friends and your relatives and school friends, because this offer is specially, the intention behind this offer is this only, so that the fees should not be barrier. Even for you, for long term, this concessional offer will definitely help you going for long term in a long journey of learning. So please, okay, Porvi Jain's photograph in newspaper. That's great, Porvi. Please share it on Instagram. She won first prize in drawing competition. And Dev Dutt of our class, he won prize, medal, and got selected for national level in drawing competition. Our students are really doing well all around. So chalo, let's get started. So first of all, keep your file vertically. I'm giving you full view, and then I will come. And this is the middle, beside the center of your page. And please ignore my nails, because before your class, we were having junior batch and we just gave wash with cotton and all. So my hands and fingers and nails are colorful. Please ignore. So see, this is the center, right? Mark it. And not, if it is not exact center, it's okay. Almost in center. And I'm going to show a small V here, small V. You can make it little pointed. It's not very broad. And a straight line from middle. As it is very clear from its view, what is this? Yes, it's a bow. Arrow. Okay. And I will take almost 2 fingers distance. 2 fingers distance from here. Okay. You can take slightly more than that and mark. Okay. And I will be making a small jury of and almost 2 fingers big head. C shape. 2 fingers. Okay, you can take measurement of 2 fingers. And make it in center. You can make it a little more big if you want. And it is 2 fingers. This is 2 fingers. Okay. U shape. Okay. Very carefully hold your pencil loose so that there will be a rhythm. Yes, I'm repeating again what I did. It is middle center of my page. I draw a V shape and straight line to show one arrow. And this is almost 2 fingers below. I draw jury. And taking 2 fingers wide, I draw head. And from here, I will take 3 fingers. From here, 3 fingers, exact 3 fingers, and I will show long hair of Lord Ram. Okay. You can show it upwards or you can show it straight. Okay, from here till here, it is almost 3. Slightly more than 3 also you can take, but not less than 3 fingers from here to here. This distance, okay? And I will go straight and we will show long hair of Ram. Okay, waving with air. I can show here too. Yes, I will repeat again. This is the center of my page. I am using my paper vertically. I draw a small V. And then this is 2 fingers distance. I draw a small C to show jury. And then I took 2 fingers distance and draw a C. And 3 fingers big. I took 3 fingers and just gave a curve of hair. Okay. And Dashara is holiday. Dashara, there will be no class. Okay. Coloring, I think we won't be able to do it today actually, because it's a big artwork and I don't want to finish it in a hurry. And it's a big artwork. We are going to show Ram, then Ravan. So it will take complete 1 hour in sketching. Okay. Done. Can I check this much? Yes. Okay. And we are showing the back view. From back side, we are taking the view of Lord Rama. Yes, I can repeat it again as many students joined late. I will give a quick revision, quick review. It's perfect. See what I did. I draw, this is the middle V, we connect a straight line. This is 2 fingers distance. Then I draw a C. Then again, I took 2 fingers width and draw a C. And taking it 3 fingers, I gave a curve. Only this much we have done. Okay. And you all have done it very beautifully. Now, very carefully, you see this here, your measurement should not get wrong. 2 fingers. From here, 2 fingers. From here, not from jury, from here, the head part. And here, I'm going to show my arms. Okay, 2 fingers from here, head part. 2 fingers from head. Yes, it is 2 fingers. And now I'm going to give you a little close-up view. It will help you getting it in better way. Okay. from here, I will take one line. It is not exactly 1, slightly bigger than 1. And you can go slanting. First, from here, you show this figure. Okay, and how much big I'm going to take. Okay, from here, this is the line. From here, the shoulders will start. From here, you take 3 fingers and slightly bigger than 3. Bigger than 3, slightly bigger than 3. Broad arms. Yes, this is A3 size. This is A3 size paper. And I'm going to keep this again. More than 2 here, little here, little here. It is more than 2. I took little distance more here, little distance more here. And I will first connect this very muscular structure of, see, it is going straight and it's conical, cone kind. Okay, same here. You will finish it here. And this is back portion. You can make it little more small. This part little more narrow. Yes, I'm repeating once again. This is the center of my page. I'm using my paper vertically. I will draw this V and then straight line, and I took 2 fingers distance. I draw 1. Then I draw a C, and taking 2 fingers wide, I draw a C, and almost this length I kept 3 fingers and gave a curve. And then again taking 2 fingers as head, I just assume it is head. I draw one line, very small. It is more than, slightly more than 1. And from here, I just draw this shape of body. And it is not exactly 2, slightly more than 2, this side and this side. Can I check this much? Yes. Shabash, wonderful. Yes, wonderful. Very good, perfect. Now let's come back to work. I will give this kind of curve, and I will be taking 5 fingers, almost 5 fingers. You can even take slightly more than 4. Just a minute, I will adjust my camera so that you can see this complete view. Okay, now here, this is 4. I can take little more than 4, 4.5 almost. And I will be making 2 lines, curved lines going this way is diagonal. And okay, it is more than 4, 4.5 I can say. Velika, I'm giving a quick revision, those who joined, because many students, they joined just now. I'm giving a quick revision again so that those who missed something, it will be revision for them also. This is middle of my page. I draw V, connect 2 fingers distance. I draw 1, then a C, then a big C, 2 fingers wide and 3 fingers long. I just gave this curve. Taking 2, assuming 2 fingers as head, I just draw a line more than 1, and I make this kind of shape. And this is 4, slightly more than 4. And I'm going to keep 3 fingers in middle, 3 fingers. And I will be making this dhoti. Dhoti Ram was wearing. I will be giving this kind of curved shape. And from here, just connect this ways. Okay, and very strong legs, can't forget. Okay, You can show it a little more wavy. Don't forget to show this Janeru. Yes, I'm giving a quick recap. Please be very attentive. Then we will step on. This is middle V, 1, then a C, again a C. I gave a curve and I took 2 fingers distance. I draw this line and show the body and it is 4 fingers big. Then I took more than 4 fingers and I just went diagonal to show that position. It is 3 fingers big to show this back portion. I'm using A3 size paper. For senior batch, I always use A3 size paper. Okay, and even I suggest that students should use A3 size paper for, okay, if you want to show little this ways, like from here, if you want to show this ways, from here, slightly downwards. If you feel like to do this ways, you can even try this kind of curves also, okay? Now I will take from here. From here, I will take 3 fingers distance, 3 fingers. Draw a line. And here I can give a curve, muscular curve. 3 fingers. Okay, this is 3 fingers big. Slanting line. Be very much careful while getting instructions. 3 fingers. Okay, 3 fingers. And here we will not take 3 because small part of hand is hidden behind this body. I will be taking here almost more than 1 finger, 1.5 finger I can say. I will make a muscular body and this ways I will finish with elbow. And I will erase this part. And here also you can see I gave a curve. I gave a curve and here I will be showing a round. You can show a muscular body if you want. And a diagonal line. From here, from elbow, a diagonal line. Okay? And from here. First, let's make a bow. I will be taking it. Seven fingers this side. I will be making this V shape. Okay, V. And then just come down. How much far? I think it is 6 fingers. Okay. Same here, go right V first. And taking 6 fingers distance, you decide that here I'm going to finish. You just draw a big 3. It's looking like a big 3, right? Here, this is bow. And I am going to start my first hand from here. It is less 1.5 almost. 1.5 and see in the same line here. My second hand will start from here, right? This is almost 2. This is almost 2. Can be slightly bigger than 2 because little part of body, it is hidden behind. Prisha, as you joined just now, beta, I think it is too late. So you just see that how we are doing and afterwards with recorded class you do. Quick revision will not help you out because getting and understanding complete method is very important. And now here, okay, let's complete arrow, make it little bold, double line. Srishti, as the classes have happening through application, and so there the link is not required, beta. You are simply supposed to go to Zoom and click on join button. Okay. So this way we are joining class every day now. Link is not required to join the class. This ways I will be completing the arrow. Okay, if you feel that here the shape is slightly different. See, I draw 2 diagonal lines and then I just extend. It is almost 6 fingers distance from here and 6 fingers distance from here. And now I'm going to adjust my hand. And how I'm going to adjust my hand? Here. Here, I will take a point near join and I will just draw a shape. See here on this bow, I will be making a line which is going upwards and one line which is holding this way. See here, I'm showing you here. I will take a point on this bow. One is going here, one is here. And I will connect. This is the thumb part. Okay. You can make it round. Make it very carefully. I'm repeating. This will go upwards. This is over bow. And I will erase lines so that you can understand it nicely. And now I'm going to connect this hand to here. And the upper hand will be going here near this wrist part. And will cover up the upper portion. Okay, so this ways your hand will be done. And you will be erasing all lines. Okay, so this is the way you will be completing your hand. This arrow will come here and the bow will go till here. Here, this part where we started this armpit now. Till here, you will be showing your bow. Okay, you can just use scale till this part. Middle, this is middle. So you will not come in body part, but just show till here. Will not come here in body. I will just showing that till here. Okay, now I will erase everything and Lord Rama. Is ready. Okay, so this lower portion we completed. And now we will start with upper portion. I will be giving you full view. This is lower half we used, and now we will start with upper half. Okay, and as it is Agni Ban, so we are going to show this kind of circle. We will be showing it as Agni Ban. Okay. And here we are going to show Ravan. Can I check this much? Yes. Will you please show? Yeah. Okay. And wonderful. So see here at place of Ravan, you can show corruption, the devil of corruption, devil of pollution. So today we are supposed to become like Ram, and we will kill this kind of devils around us. So today these all are devils, no? So you can connect this concept that ways also. Corona, yes, you can even show a big corona. Yes. Okay, now just near this. Okay, just near this, I will be showing Ravan's face. So first a line. Okay, and this line is 3 fingers wide. I just took it almost on the tip of arrow, just 2 fingers above. I will draw 3 fingers big line. Okay, and I will leave it. Over this, I will leave little space and draw a big C. You can make it a little flat too, to show a big nose of Ravan. We are going to show face quite big. Bracket shape and connect. Nose. Okay. And for very cruel face, you can even show this kind of shape above. Okay, and just above here, I will be showing eyebrows, and for eyebrows, I'm going to show curve. You can make it broad and bushy as it is. These are eyebrows of devil. Okay, make it bushy, same here. How much big it is? It is 5 fingers, almost 5 fingers. Okay, so when you decide now and take measurement, you find it easy to maintain symmetry. Okay, and you will finish this. Okay, and when you want to show, you can make it more bushy. And a more bushy and more cruel look it will give to your face. And it's curved and it is almost straight, and show it downwards. Okay. That fear, the moment Rama started, took this fire barn, this Agni barn, because when Okay, you can show slightly. Three sleeping lions. Ravan was a very wise, very knowledgeable person. But the only thing, and that is, is his evilness and ego. You know? I will be showing Mustaz now. And for this, I will be giving this middle of nose now. I will give a division. Same here. Okay. And you will come down. You will come down. And from here, a big we'll be showing this face. Okay. And this complete Ravan will go with red, orange, and yellow background. Okay. I'm going to show this kind of C shape, and this complete outlines will go in black. Okay, just show the crown near from eyebrows. Okay, we'll start it from eyebrows. Okay. I will be showing the perception middle. Okay. And these all are going to be black. Okay. Yes, Daisy, what you want to ask? Story. Okay. Okay. The story of Ravan and Ram. In coloring session, I will definitely share that. Okay. And here on mouth, near mouth, this complete shine of Agni Ban we are going to show. If you want to show hair, you can show S this ways. Because I'm going to do this completely black. S and earrings. Big kundal. We will give outlines. And in this part, actually, I want to do watercolors also. So after outline, because this complete outlines, this complete Ravan will go with black outlines along with surrounding it with the power of Ravan. It starts spreading in air and in sky. You know, for a normal person, it was not actually possible to kill him. So he also he was thinking that Rama is an ordinary person and he won't be able to kill me. But when he spread his size to show that, see what is my actual size. If you want to give a, this way is complete, you can finish it this ways. And here we are going to do complete black outline. This complete Ravan is going to come in black. Okay. And here now in this complete artwork, we will apply magic of colors and little textures with same color. Okay, so little detailing with same color. And this is our today's artwork. Let's finish it. Yes. No, we will not. We will. I just want to show that it is. It has spread. And when Ravan was fighting with Rama was fighting with Ravan. Wonderful. Shabash. We will see if possible. We will finish it today. Okay, because here the coloring. But I think what is the time? We have, oh, it's 6:50 and we have just 25 minutes. We can even finish. Shall we? Huh? Can we? Finished? Chalo, let's finish this artwork today. Because in body, we are going to do sky blue. Here, we are going to do dark brown. Okay. And here to see here, you can go for two kinds of things. We can give background either with oil pastel or watercolors. So watercolors or oil pastel? Watercolors? Vote for what? Watercolors? Oil pastels? Do you want to go for oil pastels? Combinations. So, see, I think our previous artwork was with watercolor. Let's go for oil pastels. Quickly take your sketch pen and start with your outlines. Okay, I will start with my outlines. And we will try to cover it up as in this complete artwork. Okay. The magic of color is actually the basic beauty of this artwork. And here we learn the drawing of the Dussehra. See, one hand is here, folded up in front, and first one on bow. So these are two hands of Rama. Okay. And see, to show muscular body, we just show very broad shoulder line. And even here we add some curves. Okay. And this Janeu. And let's finish it. Okay. And I'm repeating again. Dussehra is holiday. There will be no class. And our packages will get expire on Dussehra. So please inform about it to your friends, relatives, school friends, so that they all can learn and they can be part of this learning journey. Rama's hands are these. Na? This is one hand. This is second hand. This hand is in front, holding this thread of, in Hindi we call it pratyancha. English, I don't know what we call it. The string of arrow, bow. Okay. See the colors which I will be doing with oil pastel. Those who want to do with watercolors, they can even try with watercolors. See this ways, you can show a big nose of devil. Eyeball downwards. For to show anger, we will add little red color in eyes to show that anger. Eyebrows bushy and black. Rama's hand you want me to repeat. See, what I did, I took 3 fingers distance and then I draw a line. Here also I took 2 fingers distance. It is slightly more than 2. I draw 2 lines and then connect it to the middle portion of bow. Okay. I will give outlines here. Okay. And here too. You can fill it completely with black, with sketch pen only, or even you can use colors. Okay, and here we are going to give outlines with black. So you can make all outlines little bold. Okay, give all outlines little bold because here Ravan we are going to show with black only, with black bold outlines. Okay, if you have a thick marker, you can use thick marker also. Okay, and here also. Hand on bow, see what I did? I draw a V first, V on bow, and then I connect it to show this thumb, and I just draw a C over to show this upper hand, and then I connect it to elbow. Okay, so this is the simple way of completing this. I will be completing this. Let's complete today's artwork, and as it is last session of day, so if we exceed time, it's not going to make a difference. Now these lines you will make bold. Make lines little bold. Okay, even this one. All lines. If you have brush pens, measurement of bow. See, it is 6 fingers here, 6 fingers here. Overall, it is 12 fingers. Okay, from this middle line. I will complete, I will fill this complete with black. Okay. Even this with black. You can even do mustache. Okay, so black, I think we will be doing it with. Okay, so this we will fill with black paint because lots of black is there. We will do it with. Okay, now erase extra lines. Okay, erase extra lines. And now is the time to use our oil pastel. I will start with my you can erase lines upwards. This one also. Okay. And here in this artwork, that fear, we just try to show the Shehra in a very, very different way. Okay. Erase all extra lines. And let's get started with the I just leave it incomplete because I'm going to use a brush for completing this. Okay, with paint brush, I will finish it. Done? Okay, now let's come to our work. See, as we have enough time, and it is 6:59. So I think if possible, we will finish because Friday is holiday, beta. Suppose if in your school activity or somewhere you want to use it, you will be. Because in this complete artwork, the main role is of background. So there is nothing much to do. So we will be able to finish, or if required, we will exceed with time. Okay. Ready now? All of you are ready? If we will exceed 5 to 10 minutes. Huh? Manageable for all of you? Take it. Chalo. Now, I will take first, I will make this Agni Ban. For making this Agni Ban, I will take yellow, light yellow with white. If you feel that your yellow is dirty like here, just move on a surface and start showing. Agni Ban. Okay, the moment Ram came to know that why he is not able to kill, the reason behind is Agni Kund and Nabhi of. So I will be showing this light yellow color. Okay, take sky blue color with white, sky blue with white, and start spreading. Give outlines, this body of Rama. Neatly move it, move neatly all around. Sky blue. Okay, I will be taking sky blue to show Shyam Varn. Okay, and okay, spread little more. Spread. And now merge. Legs also. Okay. And little white. Take white. If your white is dirty, you please clean it. Mine is clean. I will simply, you can go for round. Go for round, round, round. Small round, it doesn't mean big round. Small, minute dots everywhere and mix your sky blue color with white. Very neatly. Okay. And here, if you want to change appearance of Ravan, you want to show in any other way. If you want to show Ravan with 10 heads, you can add in your own ways. Okay. Victory of good over evil. And to just celebrate this and to give this message to world, even today we celebrate Dussehra. Okay. Just merge colors like this. Here too. I will take black and brown. Okay, you can take black and brown, just go for black outlines. As we all know, black is the most dominating color. You are supposed to be very, very much careful about. Okay. And brown. Okay. I would love to, and you can take even deep brown. If you want to go for dark brown, you can go for dark brown also. It will also look good. And black and brown itself will become dark brown. Okay. So you can simply go for straight coloring. Let's complete. Black outline, which I just made few lines. And now I'm moving with brown color. For body, first we spread just sky blue color. You know? We gave outlines and we spread and fill inside and then we merge it with white. Okay. So see, this way is body and hair. Black outline, few lines, and I merge it with brown color, normal brown. Okay. I will pick up orange and yellow, deep yellow, orange and deep yellow. Orange. Okay. Simply make lines with orange. Okay. And suppose any competition you are appearing for, so you can try, and here you can convert this Ravan in 10-headed Ravan also. Okay. So this kind of changes. And if you can make head, all head, you can write corruption, pollution, and black marketing and whatever. 10 heads, you can give different names. Greed. You know, here people have done, they have done. See, lots of dust is there. Please blow it off. Don't remove it with hands. Blow it off. Okay, and spread your orange little all over. Orange. Spread smoky. And little deep yellow if you want. Deep yellow. Make sure your color should be neat. Okay. I will add little deep yellow. And I will finish. Overlap, move your deep yellow and fill this nicely. Okay, to see this reflection of orange and deep yellow, it will give a very beautiful look to your work. Okay, now see if you are able to do only half part of dhoti, so you will switch on to next step with me, and remaining half you can do afterwards, right? Yellow, I want to show it golden, so you can go for yellow ochre or yellow. I will prefer yellow. Okay, so I will take light yellow color and I will completely make it golden. Don't fill it completely. Story. So I keep giving instructions now, but I really find it difficult to maintain rhythm of story, and that's why in senior batch I'm not able to share it. Pencil and just highlight this line. Okay, remaining lines are not that important. If you will not highlight, it's okay. And if you want to highlight, so see this Rama part is done, and I will start from dark to light. Okay, dark to light. And for this, I'm going to take, you can pick up any dark color available. You can go for purple, you can go for dark green, you can go for violet, dark blue, any of your choice. Okay, so I will start with, okay, and make sure you will not come very close to body of, yeah, 1 minute is left. It's okay. Let's complete. Little time we will exceed with. It's okay. Okay, even here, till neck, we can do even one thing. We can go for this kind of round. Okay, round. Like a kind of round. Okay, we will start with lighter here. Okay, now go for, okay, try to keep a distance. And you can spread your color. This is violet color. Violet color, normal violet color. I will mix one more color, dark blue color in this so that it can become spread. See, I just place it in this phase and I'm spreading. And this round here, I will go gradually light. Okay. I will add little, spread it nicely, apply good amount of color so that when you will mix it with cotton, it will come out beautifully. And maintain a distance from body. And don't touch. It will give a very good effect to your work. If you will maintain a distance to here. Okay. Even for Dhanush. And I will fill this part also. Okay. I will take dark blue color, and you can finish one side with me, and then remaining you can do in your homework also. Okay, when the work will finish and you will be able to use it for competition or anywhere else. In many colonies on Dussehra competitions, many organizations also conduct different kind of competitions. I will merge it with red, primary red. Primary red. Come on, spread this ways. Mix little in purple, red part. Little in red. You know, right now you must be thinking what ma'am is doing. I don't know. Dark blue color, I will take Persian blue. I will add little, I want here little more darker one. I will add dark blue. You can do background with watercolors also. Okay, if you want to do it with watercolors, yes, you can do it with watercolors. And I will add little blue to give a darker tone and a dark to light. Orange, I will add little more red. Then orange, I will add orange color. And you can show little orange here. Add little orange. All over. Last but not the least, you can try with yellow. If you want to add little more deep yellow, you can try deep yellow. Okay, and this Agni, this Agni is going to get absorbed. That's why we are just going to give it effect of Agni. Okay. Yellow. Apply color nicely so that when you will merge, you will find a smooth effect. If you will apply less color, the merging after merging, you will not find a smooth effect. Apply your color nicely. Okay. Apply it in a good quantity. Otherwise, after mixing, the lines stay there. So apply it nicely, keep a distance near here. Apply nicely, orange, deep yellow. Deep yellow also, you can mix little in orange. Okay. And last but not the least, merging. So now is the time to take cotton and mix. Okay. From where we will start? From where we will start? Tell me. From where we will start? We will start from light to dark. Okay, don't forget this. I will be completing here to little orange. Okay, I will take cotton and I will start with I will turn my file and I will start with here. Okay, mix it nicely. And if you feel that color is not merging properly, it means you have applied less color. Apply little more color. Your color should get merged nicely. There should be no lines visible. You know, like lines, if it will be visible, what will happen? It will make your work untidy. So I will merge this yellow and then I will merge orange as it is. These are summers, means weather is quite hot. So mixing color is not that difficult for us. During winters, it's really a challenging task. Come on, merge them all. And let's give a perfect look. This Agni is going to get finished with Agni only. That's why we just use these colors of fire for showing Ravan. Merge it nicely. Mixing should be perfectly done. If you feel that your lines are appearing, you apply color again and mix. And quantity of color, it will be less. Dakshita, beta, see, you can finish half part. So I'm completing. With help of recorded class, you can do even afterwards also as we exceed with time. And the intention behind completing this work is this only. The Dussehra is holiday and we won't be having any class. So suppose anywhere you need to use this drawing, so you'll be able to use it. Okay, that's why I'm completing this artwork. Okay, so see this way. Now I will switch on to darker tone. Okay, so first let's complete this middle portion also. Here, quite close to. And mixing, please, students, and be very much particular about mixing. It should be very neatly done. Okay, if your color will be less, your mixing will not come tidy. Okay, and now I will mix this complete background. Yes, and you can see dark to light. The just last touch-up is left in this work now, and that is black in Ravan's face. Okay, if you feel that, no, I want to make Ravan's face colorful, or whatever experiment you feel like to do, you can try that. I will finish. Same here. I will turn my paper. And here, see how untidy it's looking. But after mixing, everything will become all right. Okay. So see this ways. I'm going to complete. A recording, the moment we get recording, see students, we get recording from Zoom and then we upload. So the moment we receive, sometimes we receive it immediately. Sometimes it takes 4 hours, sometimes it takes 6 hours, sometimes it takes 24 hours also. So the moment we receive recording, we upload it. Okay. So you are supposed to wait till 24 hours because maximum it takes 24 hours also sometimes. So the moment we get recording, we upload it. Okay. So see, here this way is I completed my merging, and last but not the least, and that is outlines with black. Immediately you can even either switch on to your black. And now see black you're using the most dominating color. It is most dominating color. You are supposed to be very much careful. Finish this complete with black. And Ravan, the color of Ravan is Ravan's dress was red, black. So we will make every outlines with black. And yes, just shapes we used. Make every shape bold and very carefully you do. If you feel like to keep your hands, keep a tissue or a paper and then place your hands. Okay, don't place your hands on color. Place a tissue and then you do. Otherwise, very carefully give outlines. You can keep turning your file. And to see students, you can try Dussehra this ways also. This is a very different way of making drawing of Dussehra. And so this ways also you can cover up. I will fill this black, and after completing outlines with black, this artwork will be ready. Okay, you can try with paint color. If you are using acrylic colors, you can even go for paint colors. Okay, I will complete eyebrows. and black will work. Oil pastel will easily move. Okay, very carefully. A tiny drop, a tiny dust. Keep cleaning it. And this inner one you can make with black. And you will be completing this ways. Okay, eyebrows this ways. Okay, let's complete mustache. My complete focus is here. Let me see any chat. Yes, those who want to use paint color, they can use. Okay. But I think on oil pastel, you won't be able to go for watercolors. Oil pastel, acrylic color will work. Okay. So those who want to do this with paint, they have complete command. They can try. As I want to cover it up completely with help of oil pastel, I will finish it. Okay. Yellow is already there in eyes. If you want to fill any other color, you can make outlines little more bold of nose. Make outlines. And I like while doing correction of Devi Durga's drawing also, I instructed many of you to give outlines bold. Okay, so when you are making features on a colorful background, you are supposed to go for bold outlines. And here you can see the moment Rama took Agni Ban. You can see the fear in eyes, which we showed. Dust you keep removing. Don't let it deposit. Otherwise, it will spoil your artwork. Okay. So don't remove it with hand. Just blow it off. And this way our complete drawing is about to get over. Little work is left. Very carefully remove dust. Okay. And here, if you want to make this line little bigger, and even the outlines. Okay. I will complete this one also. And here, our work is about to get over. You can add little red in the corner. Little red in the corner. Okay. And eyes, you can keep white or you can add any other color, brown or any other. And this is our complete artwork. Paint color you can use. Try our complete artwork of Dussehra in a very different way. We tried to learn it in a very different way. You can highlight these all lines. You know, like these lines are overlapped. You can highlight it with pencil afterwards. Okay. So this is our today's artwork, and you can see how we use colors for background. And with cotton, we merged dark to lighter tone. We selected and we kept our Ravan with black. You can show it Ravan of pollution. You can show it Ravan of corruption. You can show it Ravan of corona, diseases. You can show it this Ravan as Ravan of poverty. Everywhere, many of us people are there, those who are not deprived of basic facilities of life. So this is our complete artwork, and students, please don't forget to share this artwork on Instagram. Okay. And I want this artwork with you and your lovely, what? Smile. Badi wali. Yes. Okay. So please don't forget to hold it in your hands and with your lovely smile, tell your mama to take your click and send it. Wow. It's looking so wonderful. Can we go live on Facebook? Huh? Chalo. Let's go live on Facebook. And when I will be asking you to show now, whether it is incomplete, please lift up and show. So I'm so happy that finally I'm able to finish it, because earlier I was thinking that I won't be able to finish it today. But fortunately, we finish our work. And happy Dashera to all of you. Enjoy nicely. Lots of blessings. And just a minute, I will ask you, let me post. I don't know what happened here suddenly. It's not supporting, so we won't be able to go live today, but I'm very happy to see the work. All of you show your work. Wow. And if you feel that this part is looking empty, you can add little brown. You know, because when I'm looking at your work, I'm finding it little incomplete. Add little brown here. Complete it. Yes. Wow. Very nice. Beautiful work. Amazing. And many students are still completing outlines. It's great work and we learn it in a very, very different way. Okay, so this ways you can try so many things. Beautiful and amazing work. Mixing, and see, mixing I want very tidy. If you feel that lines are appearing, they're not merging properly, you add little more color and merge it. It should look even. Okay, so this is all about, and happy Dashera. Lots of blessings to all of you. I'm reminding you, Friday there will be no class, and enjoy nicely. And if you want to make your own Ravan, eco-friendly Ravan, when you will burn, it will purify air at place of creating pollution. Because in that Ravan and the complete video, it was a paid activity we did last year, but now we just kept it open for everyone so that you all can learn and make your own Ravan. So chalo, with this, I will wind up class. Happy Dashera. Bye-bye. Take care. Lots of blessings. If you enjoy, thumbs up with Badi Wali smile is left. Yes? The most favorite part of the class for me. Bye-bye. Good night. Take care. Lots of blessings.